Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Moonlight, chapter 26. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Fushiyu and Gu singing. The two of them still talking about what happened today. But Gu singing has been honest to Fushiyu, told her that she had rejected what Shalans offered her. Now, looking at her, I knew it. She is here to vouch people. Now, it seems that she is not getting angry. More on, she is becoming jealous. In the case of Shiyu told Gu singing, so partner with me. Her face, it's really turning red. So it turns out, she don't want to compete with Shalan, but moreover, she really want to partner with Gu singing. My dream is to stand on the stage with my senior. Fushio told Gu singing. Her face, it's really turning red. It's really awkward at this moment, but it was really her dream. Senior sister, would you give me a chance? Well, she was still young. There's a lot of things going to consider. Moreover, Gu singing, she is not fully healed. That's why she really can dance well. Well, let's talk about it when the time comes. Gu singing know how to block her. Well, of course, you don't want to expect her too much. Maybe she will really disappointed in the future, knowing that she can really dance well for now. It's been a long gun. You can come to rehearsal next week. Gu singing said to Pushio. Well, the thing. Finally, it's been settled. Pushio, she's been calmed down. Senior, it will be better if you go and talk to Director Tang. I really want to dance a duet with you. Now, looking at it, suddenly Gu singing moved closer to Fushio, and she really kissed her gently. Well, to stop her, and also to calm her down. Maybe she does that to her. Fushio thinking that it's not right, it shouldn't be. But senior, should it still dance? This girl, she is only thinking about herself. She doesn't consider what will the effect on Gu singing's sides, since she don't know that her injury is not fully healed. Maybe it doesn't really matter to her right now. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. After that kiss, two of them are out of breath. Probably, it's been too long. That's why they separated. They're really rushing through her feet. Now, Fushiyu, she moved closer to Gu singing and said to her, I will go to take a shower first. Gu singing told Fushiyu, well, the thing is, maybe she got really tired today. And also, stand up after a while. Fushiyu was only looking at her, following her direction. It seems to be sad. This girl, she might really think something. Right now, looking at Fushiyu, senior sister just went to see Shalan. Did she say something to the senpai? Now, she got really worried about it. Well, is she going to confront Shalan? She got her phone, and it seems that she's going to call her, or maybe to ask her, when will teacher Shalan be free next week? Let's talk. So it turns out, she really want to confront her, to know something about Shalan's wanting for Gu singing. On Monday afternoon, let's go to the coffee shop next to the dance troupe. Well, now, she got an answer. Two of them are going to meet. Maybe she will really ask a lot of questions. Teacher Shalan is from Beijing. She goes to the cafe for everything. It's so high-end. Well, definitely, she will lose a lot of money, right? You people from Haichengs are also very city-like. I heard that ice americano runs through your veins. Oh, the two of them still talking. Although right now, she really willing goings to meet her. She's been going to be knocked out. In terms of wealth, of course, Alan, it's really much wealthy on her. She will got defeated instantly. Lifestyle, it's really different. But Shalan, it's already self-made people. To the studio, right now, singing was helping her, stretching since she already take a leave for so long. Now, it is really her first day again. It would be a great if I could directly dance duet with my senpai. Fushiyu told herself, Right now, she's been watching Gu singing. Well, probably, she was thinking something. But right now, it was Shalance who already came in. And she really noticed her. This girl, she's going to trick her, right? That's why right now, she is seeing her eyes from eye to eye. The two of them, it's like they're talking on telepathy. Fushia said to Shalan. Well, looking at Shalan, he's smiling like a little fox. I haven't rehearsed for a week. Fushio told Gu singing. Senior helped me to see. Oh, fuck to her confidence. She's really willing to learn more. Especially her dance. Look at her, it's like she was acting like she was Shalan. She was showing her moves. But Fushio, still, can she really defeated Shalan? The eyes of Gu singing. Gu singing, seeing her closely. The movement is not smooth enough. Can you give me a demonstration? Fushio said to Gu singing. This girl, she's trying to be a baby. It's been a long time since I saw my sister dancing. Well, right now, she's going to trick her. Well, Gu singing. She really granted her wish. Her feet, it was not really fully healed. And maybe it will really hurt later. Now, looking at Fushio, who's trying to coax her. Sure enough, I didn't fool it yesterday. She's here to trick her again. Fushio seems to be happy that is willing to demonstrate the dance move on her. Now, she was acting that she's going to demonstrate. Well, with her body, the graceful move suddenly. It seems that it was really painful for her, since she's going to jump. Right now, suddenly, she got froze. Looking at her face, it seems to be it was painful. She really can't jump off. Now, it really hurts. After a while, she's been speaking to Fushio. Okay, let's stop here for the demonstration. Before you jump, your center of gravity is shifted. So it turns out, of course, you want to divert the attention of Fushio. I will find you a dance video. It will be more accurate than this. She looks really agitated. Also, Fushio right now. She looks really serious and also laughing. Suddenly, her sister. She's not really jumping off. Probably she don't realize at this moment. Her feet, it was not really fully healed. Sister, why don't you continue to jump down? Oh, there's a lot of things bothering on her, especially this case. But Gu singing, it's not really fully healed. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!